my sister's place. She goes by the name of Kenima. She has a Garifuna cooking class right here at her spot. She teaches people from all over the world how to cook traditional Garifuna foods. That's the video for today. Fire going for the Hudut too. We have the plantains. We are at the dancing kitchen.
guess what Carla was doing?
Definitely washing clothes.
Hey!
She felt right there.
She felt tired. Woo! So I want everyone to come up one by one, okay?
Maybe 2 by 2, 1 by 1.
Yeah, it's up to you guys. You do your move. You do your move.
Whatever
Who's the
move.
first person? Who's the first person?
Yeah, we got number 1 right
Number
here.
1? Hey!
We're getting ready for the fish. Fire's getting hot, guys. She about to fry the fish. There we go, the fish. We're at the dancing kitchen. So yes, guys, this is the process of making the hudu. First, they fry the fish. Everything is done on the fire, guys. As the group takes their break, they got to set up to help cook the hudut. We got Gasper getting ready with the coconut. They have to grate the coconut for the hudut. We got more fish going down. Barracuda, I go. Yeah. So the fish is barracuda. They put them in steak size. Yeah, they're done.
Golden brown.
Ooh, look at that. Beautiful.
So it's a coconut milk broth. In the broth, we're gonna have okra, habanero, basil, oregano, and for a little spice. So there. We have habanero. You want like spices? Who do spices? Who do okra? Who do garlic? Who do oregano? And who do basil? All right, so all of that will be in the broth, right? And then we're just gonna season it with salt and pepper. So today we're gonna see how salt and pepper makes magic, right? All right, so we're gonna split the group in two. Some goes with Gasper, mainly the guys. So usually the guys break the coconut.
Yeah, go break the coconut.
The guys usually do the hard work and the girls.
Got our job.
Because you're so great.
Okay, go ahead. So we have a hand wash station here. We have soap and we have water. So clean hands always, right?
Okay, I saw that.
Start.
That's good enough. Mr. Medical? Yeah. I trust
What's on my hands? Nothing.
no matter what way I look at it.
How's it going? How is it going over there? Good, good.
Ripe ones too?
The ripe one will be the what? Yeah, what?
No, I just want to take a video of whoever's next.
Anyone want to see how to make the milk?
Yeah.
Anybody want to see how to make the soup?
Yeah.
All right, come on. So in there we have the coconut milk, we have okra, we have habanero, not habanero yet, we have basil and around.
So are each of these sizes just a dish?
Yeah.
All right.
Everything is quick on the open flame, right?
Yeah.
You notice it's getting together, the patches on the side. That's how you know it's almost ready.
The patches on the side.
Yeah, see? Like the coconut patches
Yep,
like on
yep.
the side.
Throw in the jalap.
Yeah, so let me try it again.
You're like,
Huh?
I need to be a little more aggressive in my stirring.
Yeah.
Like a normal part of a meal. Okay. It's not like
All right, so I'll add the fish now, right? So all you have to do is the top. So the fish doesn't break. Do from the top.
Like this.
Yeah.
So you've already cooked the fish, right?
Yeah. Look good. So I put a couple fish in it. So fish, oh, everyone eats fish?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Let me ask again, let me be. Everyone eat fish? Do you eat fish? Eat fish? Do you eat fish? Do you eat fish?
Yes.
Do you eat fish? You eat fish? Do you eat fish?
Yes, ma'am.
So everyone eats fish, right? Yeah, everyone can do fish. So remember the top. Where you go, girl? What's my food? I'm more Joe. Flies, oh. Lee one no kai. Leave it.